The Biotransformation team at SIFBI adopts a multidisciplinary approach to develop novel, sustainable biotechnology. Our expertise in biocatalysis, solid-state fermentation, submerged fermentation and downstream processing is designed to accelerate process development and shorten time to market. Through the optimization of fermentative growth conditions, bioreactor design and downstream processing, we are able to enhance the bioproduction capability of microorganisms and enzymes. Our biotransformation team strongly supports developing sustainable alternatives to obtain important agricultural products without traditional farming. Through our food sidestream valorization expertise, we are able to upcycle food waste products to high-value natural products such as enzymes, extracts, seed oils and fibers for various industries, for example the food and beverage industry. Recently, we have announced our partnership with company Dole to reducing fruit loss at its source and transforming their side streams into specialty ingredients. We promote the development of a biomanufacturing sector that offers sustainable solutions for next-generation ingredients.